Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Olisi and Unomfundo. They are out and about at a restaurant. They are having a conversation, but listen, the facial expressions we can just pick up with it. This is not so much of a comfortable or a nice conversation. So Olisi says to Unomfundo, "Kamazibugo, dizelana." Ngoba bengingafuni ngoba nakho sesihlukene siphenduke ama-enemies. Then uMfundo was like, ngizokwenza ngcono bandla ngiyakuthembisa Mxolisi. Remember uMxolisi yesterday, he broke up with uNomfundo. uNomfundo iziya usazincengela ugel. So uMxolisi is like, yazi sonke lesi sikhathi njengoba ngisingle, ngizinikeze isikhathi sokuthi ngimfunde umuntu wesifazane ukuthi kahle kahle ufunani. Ubani yena, yini ayithandayo, and ngibonile ukuthi nina anibona abantu abathanda ukuba kwi-relationship e-right, i-relationship e-healthy nje. Uyabona njengawe nje, uyathanda ukuba kwi-relationship engekho right bese uhalela ukuba kwi-relationship e-right. Yo guys, I was just like, the facts that he is spitting out at this moment. He goes on to say ukuthi uyisigqila senhlungu Nomfundo. Uyabuthanda ubuhlungu Nomfundo. Nomfundo then says to Olisi, mengabe ngimubi ngaleyo ndlela ongichaza ngayo, yindaba pho u-interested mina. Olisi then says, ngoba and then he just stops there. Bengikuthanda Nomfundo, okay? uNomfundo sathi ngiyakuthembisa bandla Mxolisi, ngizoshintsha, ngizokwenza ngcono, ngizoyeba ukuhamba amanga, ngizoyinika nje le relationship i-chance, ngizoba umuntu ongcono, ngiyakuthembisa. Futhi-ke, if this is about uBoy, mina ngizozama ngakho konke amandla ami to make sure ukuthi like this relationship works. Olisi then says, wazikamhlophe ukuthi yonke lento ayikho ngomfana. This is about wena Nomfundo, uthanda enye indoda. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukuba umuntu wesithathu in a relationship. Usale kahle Nomfundo. He gets up, he leaves, and uNomfundo is left there crying. I can't believe uNomfundo, like, she ruined such a good relationship for Unjengaye. And like Unjengaye is not even fully bad or anything like that. Yeah, I shame. Next scene game. Usibongile is in her room, Erezi. She is studying, you guys, and then Uzanele comes through the door while Usibongile is studying. So Uzanele is like, mngani, buka lana, wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngawe. Usibongile is like, wonke umuntu ukhuluma ngami. Uzanele is like, yebo, buka lana. She gives Usibongile a phone. Usibongile looks kusho ukuthi ile ya video of Ugwenza telling everyone at campus ukuthi he loves Usibongile. So as Usibongile is watching or looking at that video, she starts smiling. Uzanele is like, imake, usagqoke amapijama. Then Usibongile is like, ngizama ukulungisela i-test ye-psychology lana. Uzanele is like, hayi Sibongile, vala lezi ncwadi lezi. Njengamanje ngifuna ukuthi ungene bathroom ugeze ube muhle. Phela wena noKwenza, you are one of the best couples. And then Usibongile is like, hayi bo, kahle wena, musu kuyenza into enkulu. Ukhala ngathi yini uba semathandweni. Uzanele is like, yazi la ecampusini, wonke umuntu nje ufisa uba nokwenzo wakhe. Usibongile is like, ayi mina angicabanga ukuthi ngizokwazi nje ukumelana namehla abantu. And then Uzanele is like, hayi kahle wena, ngiyakwazi phela wena Sibongile uyayithanda i-attention. And then they both laugh. And then Usibongile is like, yazi futhi kulomcimbi kulokwenzo. She gets up, she goes to the wardrobe, she takes out a dress. She's like, ucabanga ukuthi injani le ngubo. She shows Uzanele the dress. She's like, ngifuna ukuyigqoka emcimbini wakubo. And then the scene ends like that. Next scene, the uNomfundo ukwakhe, guys, looking all miserable. Uyambona ukuthi uyagowisha and uvakashele usisi uMamV uMavis. So uNomfundo's like, ubuyile. He has been here for a few days. So uMamV is like, Mxolisi. uNomfundo shakes her head. uMavis then says ukuthi hayi bo Nomfundo, wahlinikha ikhanda manje. Ungangitshela ukuthi ukhuluma ngonjengaye. Nomfundo's like, yeah. Yo, umam V then says, kanjani Nomfundo? Bengicabanga ukuthi uphumile kulo muntu nje. Unomfundo then says, ngiyazi mam V, ngiyazi. Ngaze ngaba yislima nkosi yami. Umam V zathi, hawu kodwa Mfundo, manje uzokwenza njani ngumxolisi? Unomfundo's like, hayi phela ungilahlile umxolisi and for good. Umamviza kuyabona-ke bengikade ngikhuza izolo lokhu ngikhuzela ukuthi uphuma kule mbuzi ngoba izongena phakathi kwenu inixabanise. Nomfundo zathi ngiyazi okay ebedinga umuntu ozomlalela unjengayo umuntu ozokhuluma naye. Umavis zathi Nomfundo uyayazi emotional cheating iyona nto le oyenzayo-ke. Uye wacabanga ngonkosikazi wakhe wacabanga njengengane zenu kuyo yonke lento oyenzayo kunengane yakho ngaphakathi kwalento. Hayi man Nomfundo awuzazi ukuthi ufunani Nomfundo awuzazi and awuzwa. Ngiyajabula ukuthi uzizwa ngale ndlela ozizwa ngayo njengamanje khona ungeke uphinde lento oyenzile. Ayisuka man hayi awuzwa shame. Then the scene ends like that. Guys, I'm just so disappointed in Nomfundo. Next scene uSangweni, he is at home, he's chilling nama earphones wakhe ekhawuchini uzixofela ifoni yakhe. Next thing guys, there's a guy that just walks into the house and he's like, yeah wena. Sangweni looks back, he's like, Gaibo. He gets up from usofa. The guy is like, uhleli ukhamisile la he? Yini inkinga yakho he? Awaphenduli ngani ama-message ami? Yazi wena thatha le nonsense yakho ayisebenzi. He throws the earphones onto the table. He goes on to say ifone khong yonke lento yakho. Usho ukuthi uSangweni uthengiselele mfana ama-earphone manje ama-earphone akasebenzi. Usho ukuthi this guy has been trying to contact uSangweni. Sangweni has been ignoring this guy. He decided to come and fetch uSangweni kibo. So uSangweni goes on to say, hi bo, wenze njani? Ungene kanjani lana? Ukhaya is like, ngifuna imali yami wena. uSangweni is like, hayibo, ufuna imali yakho kanjani? Whereas uyawazi umthetho ukuthi uma uyithengile into uyithengile. Like there's no refund. Ukhaya is like, hey wena son, ungazongihlanyisa wena yezwa. Lento yakho nobungayifaka emadlebeni ayisebenzi lento. Indlebe yodwa iyahlohloza le enye yesibili ifile man. And uyabona ukuthi lento ngeke ivuke man. Then uSangweni zathi mfethu uyabona into engiyisebenzisayo lana. He takes out his earphones. He's like iyafana yizwa nje. Lento right wena mhlambe uyiwisile lento kodwa nakho sowulana uzohamba mangu ukuthi ayisebenzi. Ukhaya zapho ufuna ungitshela ukuthi mina nginamanga. Ngikhamba amanga mina. Thatha lento yakho uyifake endlebeni ulalele uzwe wena-ke. uSangweni is like, angazi mfethu. If you returned it, if wabuyisele mina ngesikhathi, then mhlampe bengizokunika i-refund. Ukhaya just holds uSangweni ngama-washing. He's like, hey wena son, ungazongijwayela wena yezwa. uSangweni is like, manje why ungibamba ngama-washing? Ukhaya is like, ngizokufundisa isifundo wena. As they busy like that, uSamke comes through the door. uSamke is like, hey nina, yini umsindo omngaka kwenze njani? The guy lets go of uSamke. uSamke walks into the lounge. uSamke is like, hayibo, yindaba, what's going on here? Ubani ke wena? She looks at Ukhaya. Ukhaya is like, mama, anokutshela lo mfana lo abuyisele imali yami. Ungithengisela izinto zama-phone call. Ngifuna imali yami mina. uSamke is like, ima, angithi sengikhona manje. Ima-ke ngizoyilungisa yonke lento. Then Ukhaya is like, ayilunge mama, ayilunge. uSamke takes out money from ubhodisi wakhe and then she goes on to say bengiyothenga ngayo ke le mali. She gives the guy leyo mali. Then she asks yenele. Then the guy is like, ayizoba right then. Then he walks out like that. Yeah, guys, you see this business kaSangweni. That time Upu government nowhere to be found. Government is not going to be hit by no one because he's been giving uSangweni to sell the stock. Next scene, guys, uPhetheni is having her love summoner. uPhetheni decided to continue with her love summoner despite the status of her relationship. So, guys, kuhle laphayana, there's guests stage. The Dlaminis are all sitting on the stage, and the host, not the host, the MC is Usli from the Real Housewives of Durban. She's looking all beautiful there. Everyone was looking beautiful, guys. So anyway, Usli goes on to say ukuthi she's continuing there. Inkosikazi yakhe isiphalaphala ugcinile, usho ukuthi she's introducing everyone on the stage to the audience. She goes on to say, and then we also have the youngest, iGen Z uwenzeni. Kodwa-ke khona engingamboni lana. Uphi uKwenzo? Then uPhetheni is like, oh, uKwenzo usendleleni, he's on his way. As she's saying that, uKwenzo walks in with uSibongile. Usli's like, oh, just in time, wafika kahle. And then uKwenzo pulls out a chair for uSibongile. Guys, all eyes is on them. Then Usli's like, niyabona-ke ukuthi oDlamini ukuthi banothando kanjani. Ukwenzo's busy there. Usli goes on to say ukuthi hayi okwangempela uthando yinto yala ekhaya. Then Ukwenzo goes to the stage, he goes and join the rest of his family. Usli goes on to say, ayi cha, nikhulisile insizwa nenkosikazi nentokazi enhle. Then she says, so-ke bosibalikhulu abahle, akulula ukuthi umshado uhlezi uperfect nomndeni uhlezi uperfect. Engifisa ukwazi kuwena Gen Z yethu, our little one, uthando lomndeni lusho ukuthini kuwena? Babuza uwenzeni. Then uwenzeni says, uthando ngicabanga ukuthi umndeni is about sibambisane, whether it's in good times or whether it's in bad times. Then uSliza uqinisile-ke, that was beautiful, asimshayeleni izandla. Then the audience claps. Usli goes on to say, mina-ke audience, into engiyijahile uyazi ukuthi uVusi yena ucabangani ngalokhu. Uthando lomndeni lusho ukuthini kuwena Vusi? uVusi then says, ake ngithi nje, njengoba siwumndeni wakwaDlamini osibalikhulu omakaduzela, into eyenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibumbane yukuthi sikwazi ukulalelelana bese sibe nendlela yokudlula in moments that where we don't see eye to eye. Then Usli's like, wow. And then uVusi's like, thank you. Usli's like, hayi cha bunjalo sibalikhulu. Ikhulumile indoda enkulu, nizizwele nani, animshayeleni izandla. Then the audience does so. Unjengayo, as the audience is busy clapping, Unjengayo is holding uPhetheni's hand, and then he leans into uPhetheni, and then he's like, ngiyazi yonke into. Unengenosi ukomfonile everything. She confirmed everything. Ungacabangi ukuthi ngize la ngenzela wena. Yeah. uPhetheni is so shook. She's trying to smile at the audience because everyone's looking at them while she's trying to listen to what Unjengayo is saying. What's this? Like, I uthando liyavutha la ekhaya. Then everyone's laughing them. Next scene, uSamke ukwambo, she's washing dishes or something like that. So she's saying kuSangweni, asikho isidingo salokho. So angazi ukuthi if uSangweni wanted to pay her back, and she's then saying ukuthi asikho isidingo salokho. She goes on to say ukuthi yazi uyangikhathaza Sangweni, ngikhathazekile ngawe. Sangweni awungitshele uyithathaphi imali yesitoko? uSangweni is like, angicabangi ukuthi kuyakudinga kodwa lokho. uSamke is like, iyona ndlela ongibonga ngayo eSangweni, sengikusize kangaka lo mfana efuna ukukutrapa. uSangweni is like, eqiniso mina nawe siyalazi yukuthi bengingakucelanga, and next time please ungawenzi. uSamke is like, kodwa i-attitude yakho yini, kwenze njani Sangweni? uSangweni says, uyabona le attitude yami, kube nje wasinikeza ispace sinomndeni wami bowungeke uyibone le attitude. uSamke is like, angisona isitha sakho lana Sangweni. uSangweni is like, awuyena uma wami, cela uyeke uzenza yena, ngiyacela nje. uSamke then says, lalela baba, angizami uzenza uma wakho, okay? Angisoze ngaba udeliwe futhi. USangweni is like, hayi ngiyajabule ke ngoba ingathi mina nawe sisepagini elifanayo manje. And then uSamke says good, and then that scene just ends. Back to the Dlamini mansion where they are having uPhetheni's love seminar. So they're continuing. Usli is like, there are dark moments othandweni. Sometimes futhi those dark moments, they last for years. Akike ningichazele bosibalikhulu, especially wena mama. How do you handle those moments? And then uPhetheni then says, ngicabanga ukuthi mina sengiphendule imibuzo eminingi, mhlambe umyeni wami angaphendula this question. UNjengayo is like, how? Kodwa nkosikazi wami, abantu phela bafuna ukuzwa uluvo lwakho, hayi owami. Then uPhetheni is like, okay. Then uNjengayo just grabs the mic. He's like, ngicabanga nje mina ukuthi uthando ngiwubuka ingathi umuzi osanda kudlulwa isiphepho manje sokufanele ukuthi wakhiwe kabusha. USli then says, so njengoba ukhuluma ngesiphepho, eziphi iziphepho ezingaze zenze umuzi udilike ngempela? Then uNjengayo says, wena ntokazi, imfihlo. Yabona imfihlo ntokazi ifana njengempethu ezingaphakathi kuwena ezikudla zikudle. Then uSli's like, yo, that's deep. Ngiyamuza mina ubaba uSibalikhulu uyasixwayisa kakhulu ngemfihlo. Imfihlo emendweni azifuneki ke. She goes on to say, wena mama, how do you do it? uPhetheni then says, ngokwami ubona ke ngibona ingathi umshado fanele uthithe njengensuku ezihlukile. Usuku nosuku oluqala kabusha fanele uzifundise ukuthi omunye umuntu umnikeze igrace yokuqala kabusha. Ungabambi amagugu. Don't hold on to the past. Nje like zifundise ukuthi uqale kabusha. And then uSli's like, wow, that is amazing. Thina ke esingashadile, how do we achieve that? Singakwenza kanjani? And then uPhetheni says, well, manje uzifundise ukuthi uxole. Akukho okunye ngaphandle kokuthi uxole. As she's still talking there, uNjengayo just grabs the mic. He's like, yebo, ukuxole ngempela. Kodwa yikuthi ezinye izinto mengabe uyindoda, it's difficult ukuthi uxole nje kanjalo. Then uSli's like, hayi senizwile nani, osibalikhulu bakhulumile emaqinisweni ke nilonke nje. Love always wins. That time uPhetheni, guys, she's looking so uncomfortable. And then uLokhuzana, uSli then goes on to say ukuthi hayi siyabonga, cala sibashayeleni izandla, and then it ends like that, you guys. Yeah. Next scene, uNomfundo is sitting endlini yakhe miserable, kumnyama, and then uThemba walks in. uThemba walks in uxakiwe ukuthi why is it dark? He's like, hayi bo kwamnyama nje kanje lana. He puts on the lights, abona uma wakhe. He's like, ma, wenze njani? Nomfundo's like, lutho. uThemba's like, Imaike, let me guess. Yilama Real Housewives akho futhi. Ma ngikutshelile ukuthi yekela uba uwabukela lezi zinto bayazenzisa ma. As he's speaking like that, uThemba's phone beeps. He takes out his phone out of his gym bag or his training bag. He's like, yazi ma, uwewe lokho engisendela iy'thombe zikababa nomamkhulu. Yo, abasabambene kanje buka ma. He takes his phone, he shows uNomfundo. uNomfundo looks at the pictures and she just looks away. uThemba's like, yo, yazi ngifisa ukuthi bengihambile buka nje nokudla okungaka. Yazi ma ngiyathemba ukuthi umamV ukuthi Aunt Mavis ungibekela ukudla. Wow, baze babahle. That time you can see ukuthi uNomfundo's uncomfortable with the fact that her relationship is just ruined over uNjengayo while uNjengayo is busy lovey-dovey with his wife. Hi. Last scene, guys, uPhetheni usembedeni. She is waiting for uNjengayo. uNjengayo comes and joins him. uPhetheni is like, kwaze wathatha isikhathi eside kade nje ngikulindile. Then angene-ke, he gets into the bed. uPhetheni is like, ngiyabonga ukuthi ube khona namhlanje despite our difficulties kodwa ngiyabonga. USlee yazi bekaqinisile mekathi umshado wethu ungadlula through any obstacle. Njengaye avele azithulele. UPhetheni then says, futhi-ke bakuthandile yazi abantu, especially lama-jokes akho-ke. She's trying to make it to have a conversation nonjengaye, unjengaye just keeps quiet. UPhetheni then says, Sibalikhulu, bengicela ukuthi sikhulume. Angeke ngilale singakhulumanga. Safunga mina nawe ukuthi ngeke silale without fixing whatever was troubling us. Lento ishilo ubuqonda ukuthini? Njengaye looks at uPhetheni. He's like, ngabe uzama ukungiphoqa ukuthi ngikhulume? Okay-ke. Ngizokwenza ama-DNA test kuzo zonke ingane zami. UPhetheni looks at him. She's like, okay. Hey, guys, she gets up from the bed. She sits up. She's like, okay. Ngoba khona ingane oyisolayo ukuthi akuyona eyakho. Ucabanga ukuthi mina ngingenza into enjalo kuwena njengaye? Unjengaye is like, kanti-ke ungakhathazeki, akekho ozokwazi ukubona. And then the scene just ends like that, you guys. Ayibo, it looks like uPhetheni is kind of nervous about the fact that Unjengaye is going to do a DNA test, but I am happy that he's going to do a DNA test on all his children and not Uvusi, so that he can just get this thing out of his mind. But anyway, guys, that's where the episode ends, so let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.